Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your Astra K safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Then release the handbrake, or else you won't be able to proceed. Loosen the brake caliper. Using a socket wrench and 13mm socket, unscrew the upper slide pin. Sometimes you have to stop the lock nut from turning by holding it with your fingers or with a 17mm spanner. Do the same with the lower slide pin. Using the large flathead screwdriver, release the brake caliper from its support. You can now put down the caliper. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. You can use a screwdriver to help you.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
With a flathead screwdriver, remove the noise dampening shims. Using a wire brush, clean the brake caliper mount around the area where the pads will be placed. This will facilitate their installation. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Put the piston back. For this movement, you must have a brake caliper windback tool. This is a specific tool that will make it possible to wind the piston back, but also to have it turn on itself to reset the self-adjusting system on your handbrake. Get the noise dampening shims supplied in the kit. Place the noise dampening shims on the caliper. Take the new brake pads. Coat the end of the new pads with copper grease. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount, sliding them into place. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the slide pins. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on. And lower it to the ground. Close the brake fluid reservoir. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.